Alright, now we have a beautiful gallery full of beautiful media. Here's a few tips and tricks to customize it. First, the cover image. The first photo in the gallery will default to the cover image for the gallery cover and hero images. You can change the cover image manually by selecting an image and selecting Set as Cover. Collections are an elegant and quick way to sort your media in a gallery into subsections. These subsections are seen by anyone viewing the gallery. For example, you can sort a wedding shoot into Getting Ready, Arrival, Ceremony, and After Party. All uploaded media is put into an All Media collection, seen here. To create a new collection, click on All Media, then in the side panel that opens, click on New Collection. Name that collection, then hover over the media or multi-select the media and choose Add to Collection. Select the collection you want to move the media into. You can see the media count has gone up for that collection. Go ahead and click on that collection in the sidebar to view your newly moved media. In the Design tab, you have a variety of options at your fingertips to customize the gallery presentation. Select one of the pre-created layouts or customize one of your own. Be sure to click on Preview to view your work. Use gallery access settings to control who can view a gallery and perform certain actions. In addition, you can adjust what resolutions those downloads occur at, as well as who can download free media, whether that be clients only, clients and guests, or everybody. Go to watermarking to choose where you'd like your watermark to appear on all photos in this gallery. You can quickly hop into account settings to upload a watermark if you haven't done so yet. At the bottom of the settings menu, you can select Presets. Here you can save all of your setting and design choices from this gallery to use for future galleries. This is a huge time saver for mini shoot sessions or sessions that you shoot frequently. You can then also apply a pre-saved gallery preset. After connecting a price list to a gallery, you can then customize an individual image's price by selecting the image and choosing Set Custom Price. This is really great for those big group shots or for any images that you feel are high-value items. Using powerful AI grouping software, the People filter will scan images in your gallery, adding a new filter option for both you and the client to interact with. Clicking on a face after running the People filter will display only images containing that person or those people. Again, this will be accessible by you for your organization and by the client viewing the gallery for easier viewing of photos. Thank you for using Zenfolio.